So Kelly, share your experience with us about working with Dr. Barach.
My experience with Dr. Barach was phenomenal. I made the appointment and I was nervous driving to the appointment. The girls in the office were so welcoming and warming, and then meeting Dr. Barach in the end was just the clincher. He was very supportive and I just felt like I could trust him. Right off, he gave me good advice. He steered me in the right direction.
Right from the get-go?
Right from the get-go. It was just, when he walked in, it just took a couple of minutes and I knew he was the physician.
You felt like...
Yeah, I felt like I could trust him.
Honest and upfront with you.
Yeah. If I told him that I wanted to have something done, he didn't say, okay, let's schedule it, let's get it done, this is how much it costs. He would give you the pros and cons and let you make the decision. He would tell you whether he thinks this is good for you or not. And he just, he was just, I don't know, it's just that sense. He was warm, he was trusting. He wasn't just your average stuffy doctor. You walk in, you know how some of them can be stuffy. He just wasn't that at all. He's very down to earth.
How did you hear about Dr. Barach?
Through a friend who had a procedure done. But I had done my homework. I had compared, and I think that's the best thing to do, is to do your homework, do research, meet with other physicians, and you'll definitely come back to Dr. Barach.
Kelly, if you were to decide to have plastic surgery again, would you go back to Dr. Barach?
Absolutely. I wouldn't need to meet other physicians. It was just that experience. And then the procedure, and after the procedure, he just cared, like you were part of his family.
What if a family member came to you and said that they wanted to have plastic surgery? What kind of advice would you offer them?
I would tell them to do their homework, meet with other physicians, meet with Dr. Barach first, then meet with other physicians, and they definitely go back to Dr. Barach. It's just the way he makes you feel. It's nervous, you're nervous anyway. And then you go and you make the appointment, and the girls in the office are phenomenal. They really just make you feel like they support you. They make you feel like you're part of the family.
How has having this procedure impacted your life and how you feel about yourself?
It makes you have a little more self-esteem, and it makes you feel more positive about what you do, whether it's your work, your school, your children, your husband. Definitely makes you feel better about things overall.